Alright, here's how to change a wet clutch on a typical motorcycle. Most motorcycles are wet clutch, meaning the clutch is submerged in oil. So it's pretty much the same standard procedure. As you can see, I have the fairing taken off here. I'm going to move this fairing by loosening up these bolts here, which I already loosened up. And so then we'll have the clutch cover. So the first thing you want to do actually before you move this cover off is you want to drain the oil. So I have an oil drain pan. I have the oil drain plug removed, so all the oil is out of the engine. We're gonna put fresh oil in there. I'm gonna also take out the dipstick or the oil fill. And so the next thing we're gonna do is I removed all these bolts except for one. So let's just remove this last one here, and that'll give us access to right there into our clutch. This gasket is gonna sometimes stick, so you can just whack it with the hammer lightly, or kind of just pry it out lightly. And you can see where the gasket now is thinning, so you're going to need to put a new gasket on there or some kind of gasket paste. So this is sealed up because this is going to be filled up with oil down here, and when it's spinning, oil is going to be spraying everywhere. So if this gasket's not sealed, you're going to have a little bit of a mess. So the next thing I'm going to do here is we're going to go ahead and remove the 5 screws here. You can see I removed 4 of them already, so there's only 1 more to remove. I'm going to go ahead and suck that right on out. Okay, we're going to keep these right here, so they're all together. It says 5 of them. Now with those 5 screws removed, it's going to give us access to our clutch. So we're just going to remove the clutch cover here, this clutch disc cover. And here we have our clutch plates inside. This particular bike has 9 of them. You can see there's 1 there. And you can kind of just slide these right on out, just like that. See that? There they are. So here comes 1. And you can see these are pretty worn down. The grooves are pretty flat on here. So when you change the clutch, what you're changing actually is these discs. The ones in the middle, the metal ones, this one, you can generally put back unless they're cracked or damaged. So these are sandwiched in between these discs. So you'll keep seeing this one, then you'll see another one of these, and so on and so forth. And there should be 9 of these and 9 of these. So what you want to do is you want to remove all 9 and put all 9 of your new ones in. And once you put all the new ones in, just repeat the process of putting it all back together. Put that on next, the screws, cover, gasket before the cover, and you got yourself a new clutch. It'll only take about 15 minutes if everything goes well.